The Rolling Stones said you can't always get what you want, and I came to feel that. So, this is my Nissan Xterra that you all watched me put my heart and soul into, and then the timing belt went out. So, here she is getting loaded up as I had to trade her in. But we traded her in for something much newer and much nicer. And here it is. A 2023 Nissan Rogue fully loaded with a 60,000 mile warranty that will help me on my journey. So, I took and I let my apartment go. I quit my job and I have officially become a nomad. I did get pretty lucky. On my last few days in Washington, the mountain decided to come out and play a little, and I got some spectacular views. So, now that I was out of my apartment, everything is in storage, it was time to hit the road. So this is my first campsite. It's at the top of a mountain on BLM land in Oregon, and it was quiet as it could be and amazing. Back on the road the next day. Welcome to California. Today I'm hiking to the Trail of the Giant, or no, Trail of the Titans, that's what it is, in the rain. I'm gonna go see the big daddies. Nobody else on this trail. It's just me. This has been kind of an awakening for me. I'm gonna get to do all the things that I want to do, and this has been on my list for a long time. Yeah, climbing up some stairs has been on my list for a long time. But actually getting to see these big daddy trees, I never thought I would be out here like 10 years ago. The thought never crossed my mind that I would be on the West Coast. So I kind of put it out of my mind. And then when I moved here, I kept saying, oh, I'm gonna go. But in reality, California, it's a long way from Washington. And trying to get down here and work a full-time job, it just don't work. So now that I'm nomadic, I get to come experience stuff like this. Whew. I'm out of shape, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of hiking, trying to get back in shape. I used to hike all the time when I first moved to Washington, and then I quit. I got lazy. So now I think I need to quit smoking. I've already started the process now. I haven't smoked in my car one time. I've been stopping occasionally, and I'm smoking I went from 2 packs a day when I was in Washington to a pack a day, and now I'm at like a quarter of a pack a day. But as you can see, I'm out of breath. And I wore the wrong shoes for this. I didn't put my tennis shoes on because I was too excited. And this seems like where the trail ends, at the biggest tree I've ever seen in my life. That thing's as big as a school bus. And look at this. I'm holding this at eye level right now. I'm 6'3". Oh, no, that's not where it ends. It keeps going. Look at that. I was about to turn around. I'm glad I walked all the way. All right, let's see what this thing is. This has like a Jurassic Park feel to it. Welcome to Jurassic Park. This is where the dinosaurs are. Welcome to the deep forest. Redwood forest helps sustain life on Earth. Please stay on the raised walkway. Flying squirrels glide overhead, and salmon swim in streams. The roots of the redwood trees intertwine beneath us, supporting the forest. We are all connected in this place. So cool. And this is where we ended up before I'm turning back. A river. Next to some giant trees. Think about how much water these trees need, but I wonder if it rains like this here all the time. Oh my God. I just recorded a whole 10-minute video and I never hit the record button. So this is gonna be a condensed version. I am staying the night at a truck stop. I found a better truck stop than the first night I stayed in Vegas. Last night I stayed in a Cracker Barrel parking lot. Tonight I'm staying in a really nice truck stop. And they told me it's okay to park here. And so I'm not feeling like I have to hide like I did last night at the Cracker Barrel. That's probably the worst feeling is not knowing 100% if it's okay for you to park there. And there were other people parked there, but I'm not worried about getting mugged or anything because I have protection. Oh, it slid itself up. I got this guy. It's a beast. I'm not too worried. And then I also have this guy, bad guy repellent. And I figured if the mace and the big knife don't stop him, I'm probably already dead anyway. But yeah, that's probably my biggest anxiety living on the road. I am officially out of my apartment, officially living in my car, but it's not the car that you all seen in the last videos. I have had to trade that in for a Nissan Rogue. This is that. The automatic lights just went out. So, time to lightsaber. All right. Yes, I am lighting this with a lightsaber, an actual lightsaber. But anyways, yeah, I have a fan, I have bed, but I have been having heavy thoughts as I've been on the road. When I'm home for Christmas, I think I'm going to build a platform to put the bed on that has a drawer in it to get rid of this storage, and still leave it so this seat stays up so I have a place to sit, but it'll open up a ton of storage if I do it like that. And it doesn't have to be very tall. I got plenty of room in here. But yeah, I'm officially a nomad, y'all, and it's a good feeling. Door dashing my way across the country, not having to worry about going to work. I get up and go to the gym at like 5 a.m., take a shower, work out. I got a massage this morning. That was nice. Yeah, I'm really enjoying myself on the road. And I've been recording, but man, editing at Starbucks takes a long time. So, sorry this video took me so long to get out, but I appreciate y'all that are following and subscribing and all that. We've officially started our journey. So, make sure you subscribe for the next. And I hope y'all enjoyed this one. I sure did. So, much love, y'all. Niggas the way out.